In this problem, we're given a right rectangular prism, and we're asked to find the longest line segment that can be drawn in the interior. Okay, so this right rectangular prism has a base of 12 centimeters by 8 centimeters and a height of 11 centimeters. So what is the longest possible line that you can draw in the interior of that box? Well, it's going to be from the top corner to a bottom corner on the opposite side. So I could either go from here to this corner, or I could go from here to this corner. They will be the same length. Okay, so I'll just draw a little dotted line here. Okay, so that's the line that we're looking for. Okay, we'll call that y. Okay, but in order to figure out y, well, we need the base of this triangle. We have the height of this triangle is 11. The diagonal of this triangle is y. We don't know what that is, but we need a base that goes from this bottom corner here and also meets in this far corner. Okay, so I'll do another dotted line here. And this triangle going through the middle from one back side to the opposite left side is a right triangle. Okay, so we need to figure out what those lengths are, and we'll call this x. That's the one we're going to find first. Okay, so let's take a look at x. It's on the bottom of this box. Okay, and it does form a triangle with this side that's 8 centimeters and this side that's 12 centimeters. Okay, so we can use Pythagorean theorem to figure out what x is. So we'll have 8 squared plus 12 squared equals x squared. Okay, 8 squared plus 12 squared, that's 64 plus 144, so that's 208 equals x squared, which means that the square root of 208 is equal to x. So x is equal to the square root of 208. Okay, now that we have that diagonal, we need to find this diagonal that represents our longest line that can be drawn in here. Okay, so we have the side, which is 11, we have the base, which is a square root of 208, and we have y. So we can use Pythagorean theorem again. We'll say that we have 11 squared plus the square root of 208 squared equals y squared. 11 squared being 121. You square a square root, that becomes whatever's on the inside, which is 208 equals y squared. Add those two together, you get 329 is equal to y squared. And then square root both sides, you get the square root of 329 is equal to y. More than likely, this is what they're going to want as your final answer, but you can always type it in the calculator if you want. Square root of 329, and it's about 18.14. Okay, if you need a decimal. And that's it.